So here's another daily tip from your friendly local dermatologist. So how long is too long for your fingernails or your toenails? And this is a very subjective measurement for aesthetic appeal or how it looks. So I'm not even going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about how long is too long for nail health. Because you simply don't want your nail to grow so long that it acts as a lever or a catch so that when something hits it, it rips it off. That does not feel good. It's not a good day. So I usually recommend 1 to 2 millimeters. Now, if you're in the health field, it's probably shorter than that. And if your toenails are hitting the edge of your shoe, well, they're too long. You have to have proper fitting shoes where your foot doesn't slide and smash against the end of your shoe. And you have to have your toenails cut back so that they're not sticking far out from your toes. Now, if you start to see little ridges, horizontal ridges up and down your toenails, that means probably your shoes aren't fitting well and your nail is smashing against the end of your shoe, and that is causing damage to your nail. Usually that's temporary, but sometimes over prolonged use or enough of a trauma, it could be permanent damage to the nail if the part of your toe that grows the nail is damaged itself. Also, another tip that your toenails are too long is if they start to curl down. Cut them shorter, guys. Get out the old Dumb and Dumber little Dremel and go at it.